All right, so not your average average style unboxing, really, but I did get it. It finally arrived today. So I'm gonna cut this open. Get this unboxed. Now this is the Moto X4, the Android One edition for Project Fi, and it's got. I think it's got another. Yeah, it does right there. Dull knife. Okay. So no box fart, but there's the phone, and it is a really nice phone, I must say. It's really shiny in the back. It's got the dual camera right there. It feels like it's smaller than my Moto E4 Plus. And truth be told, it actually is. It is smaller than the E4 Plus. So take that off and put it there. Okay, so the SD card slot is on top. Then we have your books and stuff. So SIM tool ejector, and then we have some more pamphlets and Project Fi. Let's get started. You also got a wall adapter and yes, USB Type-C. So Type-C charger. That's pretty much what all comes in the box itself, really. At this time, let me put this booklet stuff back. And I'll get it all set up, play around with it for today. And then maybe later tonight, I will kind of give you guys my impressions about it. So put everything back in the box. So small box though, and the box felt really heavy. Keep that there. Yeah, not a lot of info on it, but it tells right here, it is water resistant. So that's good to know. All right, so I'm gonna get this set up, and yeah, be on the lookout for the second video later on today as I play around with it. I'll let you guys know how it works out. So talk to y'all later.